gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past.
Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maya Michelle. In today's video, we're going to be doing a day in the life of a graphic designer. So it is currently around 6:30 this morning, and right now we are going to go to the gym. I got up at 6 o'clock. Let me tell y'all something. I've tried to be the person to get up at 5 a.m. every morning and stuff like that, but 5 o'clock is too early in the morning. So I ended up getting up at 6 o'clock. I did not record my morning routine, getting up in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning, because I be looking rough. I've been training for a 5K, so I'm gonna do this 5K run in Houston, and I'm really excited about. We've been trying to prepare for that because your girl been trying to stay fit in the gym. I've been trying to do a little something, so don't ask me too much. It's not time for you to eat. Good morning though. You saying hi to everybody else? Yeah, it's not time for you to eat. Don't be yelling at me. You don't eat till 9:30 and it's 6:30.
Down sunset. In every place. In every face.
Might be hard to see me, but I just finished my 5K run training. So it was just today I just did a recovery run. So I do my recovery runs on the same day as leg day, because I don't want to overexert the muscles in my legs. But so I use the Nike Run app to help me train, and you know, this is week 1 for me. I got 4 more weeks to go until my 5K. So now I am actually about to go back to home so I can go ahead and shower, make some breakfast, eat some breakfast, and just get ready for the task that, you know, I have to do today, because I do have some work to do today. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Look at y'all, outside is just so beautiful. I love being in nature. Wow. Do y'all hear the birds? Shy. She kind of upset at me. Look at her. She know. My cat is bougie, y'all. She drinks bottled water.
I done bought the coupe. I done did the rubbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause a Lola, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a street. Ask me how to do it, kicking shit right you can. Put it in a cab, send it to a Arab. Hit them with the mat now, last whole body scale. Cash on delivery, hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the criterious, all the bitches lipstick, and a pussy slippery. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never kick a roof. I can send a whoop. Niggas on the chain, but they ain't worried before. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me poof. Ooh, ooh, down the street, the roof. Ooh, ooh, I done fought the proof. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came for rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause below this bitch.
Okay, so we are now at the place of where the magic happened. We have finally made it to our desk so we can be able to take care of some work. I usually write out, I have this like weekly planner. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it's right here. So this is kind of like where I write my week out week by week, just so, and I just cross them off as like I go through them, and this just helps me just stay on track of the things that I need to get done. Every morning when I sit down at my desk, the first thing I do is I check if I received any email inquiries or if I received any emails, DMs from new clients. This is me checking my email now. And then also what I use is I use Honeybook to keep track of everything. At first, you know, I was using Notion to keep track of all my clients, invoicing, contracts, deposits, all of that. But this is an easier system for me to keep track of everything. And on top of that, I'm able to keep manage of how much money I have coming in, because by the time it comes around to having to pay taxes, I want to make sure that I'm on my P's and Q's. So this is a brand identity kind of like mock-up post that I was telling y'all that I had scheduled to have uploaded today. I really worked really hard on this, and I'm actually really proud of how it really turned out. But this is like a carousel kind of like scroll situation here. I love the logo. Look at the logo. Oh my gosh, y'all, the logo turned out to be so dope, and she, like, my client really loved this. She loved this. And so here is like the brand template, well, the brand guidelines that I sent her. I sent her like a, let me see if I could go to the actual page here. So yeah, this is like how my brand guidelines go. You know, get your logo, your typography, color palette. One thing I added is the file format guide, because I feel like a lot of people don't really understand what the different formats are. Even though you can look it up, I just think it's best for people to throw it in there. And then I also sent her like a brand guideline of everything in one. So it turned out to be super dope. And then I also worked on this YouTube banner as well. It turned out to be really cute. So I am super excited about this. And the crazy thing is, like, I've been like seeing my growth, and my progress through all of this has been the most rewarding out of, you know, me sticking with it, because it's a slow progress of me like gaining my clientele and having my clientele grow, but this is the most rewarding. Okay, hey y'all, it is officially the next day. So today is Saturday. I really just got up and I sent out a couple of questionnaires, but I have been in the house this whole week just because I've been gone for about 3 weeks to go see family, spend time with family and stuff like that. So being back after being gone for a while, you really like have to focus and lock in. And I had a lot of stuff that I need to do. I had client projects I need to go ahead and send out and just get done. So since I haven't really been outside, I mean, other than working out, I haven't done much stuff leisurely. So what I'm about to do is we're gonna go to the Contemporary Art Museum, and I'm excited. Hopefully it can like refresh my mind, help me generate new ideas and things like that. So I'm excited. Cassie put on actual clothes.
I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible.